Every commitment deserves to be securely held. Soeasy Zinc-Aluminum-Magnesium photovoltaic mounting systems are ready to go. Lightning-fast delivery, instant ownership. The cutting-edge quality you expect, with every piece of steel originating from Shougang Jinpan United Steel Co., Ltd. This is not merely a delivery, it is a transfer of highly efficient value. Modular design ensures quicker installation, while its outstanding performance lays a solid foundation for decades of reliable operation for your power station. From the factory to your project site, we provide end-to-end tracking and uninterrupted service. What we deliver is not just a product, but also immediate support and lasting peace of mind. Let reliable support arrive faster. Together with Soeasy, accelerate the bloom of green energy. Contact us to get quality solar bracket in place swiftly.